As we kick off the new year, we here at Corporate America Credit Union wanted to take an opportunity to discuss the past year and many exciting things to come in 2018. Hopefully by now you've heard our tagline, Different Starts Here. We met with many of you, we listened, and we are now delivering with numerous updates and new products for you. That's part of what makes us different, putting you first.
I hope that your 2018 is off to a great start, and thanks for tuning in. I'm proud to report that all of us at CACU worked very hard for you again during 2017, and our positive momentum carries into 2018. We continue taking action and setting priorities with an eye towards serving you better. We are well capitalized, as defined in regulatory provisions. We are competitive. For example, our Super 30 account pays above the Fed's overnight rate. We have advanced technology. A core conversion was recently completed, the second in my life, and I'm fine not having a third in my life. Every payment system platform and delivery channel has been modernized during the past 24 months. Single sign-on is in place. And working with our fintech partner Vsoft, we will be incorporating blockchain technology into data delivery channels. No, we won't be messing with cryptocurrencies. Information security is always top of mind, with over 1,300 companies compromised during 2017 alone. We collaborate with security experts and regulators as we diligently work to defend the exterior and monitor the interior when it comes to information security. We are also investing in our team. Leadership and development training is being provided for all levels of staff at CACU. We all lead in some way. These are just a few accomplishments and actions underway, driving our journey of constantly improving and collaborating with you, our members, a journey that will never end. Thanks for your support.
Over the last couple of years, we've really strived to allow our members to drive our strategic direction and service offerings. We hosted several Lunch and Learns last year, resulting in many of the enhancements and new services that came directly from your feedback. More Lunch and Learn sessions will be scheduled throughout 2018. An overwhelming need we heard from you was automation capabilities, particularly on the heels of same-day ACH. We introduced services over the last year, automating the sending and receiving files from Corporate America. We also discovered that most credit unions don't have an efficient way to monitor activity in ACH. So, in the coming months, we will introduce ACH daily, monthly, and board reporting to ease oversight in ACH transactions. Credit unions came to CACU for alternatives for cash services as well. We are finalizing our plans and will be rolling out a full cash service soon. This option, through Corporate America, could be more cost-effective and help us help you manage the needs at your institution.
Payments improvements are also on the horizon for the year. A brand new alternative to branch capture called Web Branch will feature web-based technology, telecapture functionality, and real-time fraud. Corporate checking is also a new service, meaning credit unions can write their official checks directly off their corporate account. This product includes positive pay functionality and automates your account reconciliation.
We're excited for the year ahead and for more opportunities to work together and collaborate with you this year. One of our favorite ways to do this is our annual meeting and conference. Join us April 23rd through 25th in beautiful Sandestin, Florida for 3 days of networking, education, and fun. We have a great lineup of speakers who will cover industry hot topics such as ADA compliance, Reg CC, payments fraud, and cybersecurity. We look forward to seeing you there.
You can see we've been really busy, and 2018 will be no different. As we continue to work to serve you well, we do want to remind you, we do try to have a little fun around here.
Set the audio levels too.
And I'm in the right location.
You said audio check. Let's read through it.
Over the last couple of years, we've really, ooh, when you move it, it's like, whoa.
All right, okay, here we go. And automates your account reconciliation.
Oh God, you're good.
You'll do.
When it comes to information security,
I can warm it up in post.
I don't know why at the end I wanted to look at you like, look, I'm finished. I'm done now. What?